Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect WooCommerce to Mailchimp step by step clearly. To connect WooCommerce to Mailchimp, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type Mailchimp for WooCommerce. Locate the Mailchimp for WooCommerce plugin from the results. Click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. After activation, go to the WooCommerce menu. Select Settings. Click on the Integrations tab. Find Mailchimp from the list of integrations. Click on Connect your Mailchimp account. You will be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and authorize the connection. Once authorized, return to your WooCommerce settings. Select your desired Mailchimp audience from the drop-down menu. Configure the sync options according to your preferences. You can choose to sync customer data and order data. Scroll down and save your settings. Next, go to the Audience tab in Mailchimp. Select the audience you chose in WooCommerce. Ensure that the settings align with what you configured in WooCommerce. To enable e-commerce tracking, go back to your WooCommerce settings. Affirm that tracking is set up for abandoned carts and order notifications if needed. Finally, test the integration by placing a test order in your WooCommerce store. Check your Mailchimp audience to confirm that the new customer data syncs correctly. You have now successfully connected WooCommerce to Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.